You have started your business already और आप market करने के लिए you are confused between SEO and PPC. SEO is a long term process and it also depend on industry specifics. Let's suppose you are a accounting firm और आप अपनी SEO कर रहे हो and if you are competing in US market there has to be a lot of competition. A lot of companies would be already there जो कि अपनी SEO कर रही होंगी from years. For SEO we research that what keyword the business required, ठीक है, फिर उस keywords के ऊपर what is the current competition. Because of the competition, because of there are already brands जो कि एक specific niche के ऊपर अपनी SEO कर रहे हैं on a specific keywords, so they are already ranked over this. Going on to that competition, it can take 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or more than a year or 2 year, depending upon कि जो market है उसका search volume अगर बहुत ज़्यादा है, so there is एक terminology होती है keyword difficulty. Just say let's suppose I want to rank a keyword accountancy firm New York, so if I want my website to get rank on this keyword, तो फिर मुझे देखना होगा कि already इस keyword की keyword difficulty क्या है. From keyword difficulty I can estimate कि मुझे कितना time लगेगा rank होने में. When you have that estimation, so you can decide we have that much time to invest in SEO. SEO is fruitful for the long term. आपने आज SEO की and you know you should not expect results sooner if there is a tough competition, keyword difficulty ज़्यादा है आपकी या एक बहुत competitive niche में. And on the second end there are some, let's suppose अगर आप एक city based इस SEO कर रहे हैं, let's suppose आप ऐसी सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो that is within the radius of your city, तो वहाँ पे जो है वो competition जो है वो कम हो सकता है, so you can get results in SEO within month as well. जब आप PPC की बात करते हैं, the answer between SEO and PPC depends upon the customer, depend upon the brand. Let's suppose एक already एक brand they have a solid funding, if they should go with SEO and PPC, so they should go with both, but PPC would be helpful for them अगर उनके पास money to invest. Google itself कहता है कि if you are starting a brand, so you should be initially investing $4,000 to $5,000 on your initial campaigns for like at least 2 to 3 months to get enough amount of data. जब भी हम एक campaign को digitally या on social media और even on Google Ads पे launch करते हैं, so marketing is on data. Initially whatever you spend, we don't expect कि उससे हमें revenue generate होगा या उससे हम we will get sales. The more you spend, the more you get data. So PPC, it's really simple. If you are entering with a small budget, you will definitely, the chances are higher that you will fail, because let's suppose if you are investing $1,000 and in $1,000 you will get very less numbers to analyze data. Let's suppose there are two companies entering with different budget. One is entering with $1,000 on PPC, and other one is entering on $5,000 to $6,000 on PPC. The one, maybe they will lose money, maybe they will not make money, but they will have more data to analyze. So the next month when they will run their campaign, when they will optimize their campaign, they have huge data. In that data they can see, okay, so when we started our brand, who interacted with us more? It's female, male, what are the age group, what are the demographic, what are the behavior. Most of the companies that have like solid budgets, so they go with PPC, so they can get the data, and based on data they can optimize their campaign and get revenue. And for the smaller companies, SEO is the best option to grow slow and organically.